Aloha, I'm Kiana Cayabyab, and here are today's top Hawaii headlines from the editors at the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Honolulu Mayor Blangiardi today responded to the recent surge in a single-day coronavirus infections, with a temporary cap on indoor gatherings on Oahu. Blangiardi is setting a 50% capacity limit for large indoor events with more than 1,000 people. The new limit goes into effect Monday. No other restrictions will be implemented, but the mayor noted that COVID-19 vaccines will be readily available at a number of locations to make them more accessible. The step comes after Hawaii County Mayor Mitch Roth ordered the Big Island's indoor gathering size to be capped at 10. Blangiardi previously loosened all capacity restrictions for large events, restaurants, social gatherings, and gyms in early December before the highly contagious Omicron variant began to spread in Hawaii. Health officials today reported 2,611 new COVID-19 infections statewide, bringing the state's total since the start of the pandemic to 126,067 cases. No new coronavirus-related fatalities were reported, and Hawaii's death toll is now at 1,094. State health officials reported 1,934 new cases on Oahu, 156 on Hawaii Island, 303 on Maui, 111 on Kauai, 33 on Molokai, 18 on Lanai, and 56 Hawaii residents diagnosed outside the state. Of all the confirmed Hawaii infection cases, 5,313 have required hospitalizations. Officials reported 17 new hospitalizations today. The state has 29,607 cases that are considered to be active, with 1,460 new active infections recorded today. Meanwhile, staffing shortages have become a serious concern at Hawaii's hospitals, which are nearing full capacity amid the recent coronavirus surge. With nurses and other healthcare workers getting infected with the virus, the Healthcare Association of Hawaii requested funds from the Federal Emergency Management Agency for 930 relief workers. The association is expecting FEMA to confirm the request, which would bring an initial wave of 100 to 200 relief workers to Hawaii in the coming weeks. A 32-year-old Kauai man has been charged in connection with the deaths of two people killed in a two-vehicle collision on Kauai on Christmas Eve. A Kauai grand jury indicted Sandid Igne. They charged him with 2 counts of manslaughter and 2 counts of negligent homicide in the first degree in the deaths of 49-year-old Eugenia Villanueva of Honolulu and her father, 71-year-old Delphin Geronimo of Eleele. Igne also received multiple other charges. Police said Igne was driving a 2011 Toyota Tacoma on Kamali'i Highway in an area known as Knudsen Gap when he veered onto the shoulder and into oncoming traffic. He collided with a 2018 Nissan sedan driven by a 19-year-old Honolulu man. Villanueva and her father, Geronimo, were passengers in the Nissan. They both died from injuries in the crash. A 19-year-old Honolulu woman sustained serious injuries. Police arrested Igne Tuesday on a warrant issued by the grand jury. 3 of Hawaii's biggest private schools have joined the public school system in pushing forward with in-person learning despite the Omicron surge. Iolani School, Punahou School, and Kamehameha schools have adopted slightly different strategies. Iolani had every member of its faculty and staff tested on Sunday before students returned to campus. All students will be tested on campus this week, and weekly testing for everyone on the Iolani campus expected to continue until the current surge passes. Iolani is also requiring masks both indoors and outdoors during the surge and plans to continue on-campus vaccine clinics for its students and employees. Kamehameha schools started to bring back students at all 3 of its campuses today. All Kamehameha campus staff will be tested and students will be offered free voluntary testing. Masks are required both indoors and outdoors, and Kamehameha officials are emphasizing distancing, hygiene, and the use of technology to improve contact tracing. Punahou resumed full in-person learning Tuesday with increased testing for all faculty and students, strict mask enforcement, and daily health check-ins. Hawaii's tourism industry is predicted to return to pre-pandemic health in 2025. State economist Eugene Tian projected the rebound at a joint hearing of the Senate Ways and Means Committee and House Finance Committee on Tuesday. He expects to see 8.86 million visitors this year, followed by annual increases until the 9.9 million mark is reached in 2024, nearing pre-pandemic record numbers. Tian has not calculated December's numbers, but anticipates some 6.8 million visitors to have arrived in the islands in 2021. Tian's forecast puts pressure on legislators to come up with plans to control access at state-run parks and beaches by possibly charging new tourism user fees and limiting parking. For more on these stories and all the latest headlines, subscribe to the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Visit Hawaii's top source for breaking news online at staradvertiser.com and download the Star-Advertiser mobile app. Mahalo, have a great day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.
Are you ready to score big? Make sure to check out the Honolulu Star-Advertiser's Football Fever every Monday through Wednesday for your official ballot to play and enter for a chance to win $500 weekly or the chance to win the grand prize, a Big Green Egg Kamado Grill. Match or beat the score and you qualify to win. Don't forget to drop off your entry at select Long's Drugs locations. Good luck! Special thanks to sponsors Long's Drugs, Hawaiian Telecom, and Mercedes-Benz of Honolulu.